This is a BZ28, and this has got all the drive flanges assembled on the machine, waiting for the slide bodies to be finished, modified, and black oxided. And we got our first tooling station assembled and on the machine. This is the BZ27. This has been rebuilt, new shafts, well, not new shafts, but new seals. Oil lines are all finished. Got to run air lines, got a press put on. Feed has been assembled, and waiting on tooling. This is the GRM 80. It's got all the air lines, oil lines run. We're starting the electrical upgrade now, and assembled the feed, and waiting on a couple of mechanical components from Germany.